Good morning, everyone. My name is Kelly and my partner is Ming. Today we are going to talk about our final project. The main idea of our project is interlink, to link and connect the human space with the machinery space. The shape of the massing mimics the shape of the van stack. The building mass is lifted off the ground to create public space and access for the community, carving away the existing ground and extending the building into the water for better views and functionality. A central courtyard is not only to allow more light and air into the building, but also the place where all the three programs, Waste to Energy Recycling Center, Nightclub, overlap and intersect. Our site is located at the waterside of Brooklyn Navy Yard with a ball field and grass space in front of it. There are several ferry stops and train stops around it. On the left is the program diagram and the right is the circulation diagram. The three programs intertwine and overlap with each other. The Waste to Energy and Recycling Center is mainly on the street side, but also goes under and in between space of the nightclub, and it led all the way into the water side for the barge. The nightclub is invaded into the in-between space around the machine. There are no clear boundaries between the three programs. On the ground floor plan, we have the Waste to Energy and Recycling Center entrance on both north and south ends. The main visitor entrance is in the middle to differentiate the staff route and the visitor route. We have a restaurant that is sitting in the water with a movable bridge serving as the entrance. On the other side, the recycling center is also sitting in the water with the conveyor belt transferring the trash from the upper floor and down to the barge. On the mid-floor plan, there are two large dance floor areas, with one featuring a stage for concert or live band. As the visitors come from the elevator, they will arrive on the first dance floor area with sittings and bar along sideways. And as the visitors circulate through, they will find several karaoke rooms that are located on top of the recycling space. The glass walls of the long corridor would allow visitors to see the machinery while enjoying the nightclub. On the upper level, we have a greenhouse and a VIP lounge. The greenhouse is sitting around the chimney and would grow vegetables that serves for the restaurant and the nightclub. The VIP lounge, featuring a large aperture, will offer visitors a beautiful night views and more privacy.
For our elevation, we use the translucent and transparent glass for the openings, and we use the GFRC as most of our curtain wall systems. The size is about 8 by 15 feet. And on the east elevation, there are some flured edges on the curtain wall. These small openings are also part of our windows because the factory is in this part, so we use the translucent glass for most of our east facade openings. In the north to south section, we want to show the intersection between the factory and the nightclub. The recycling center is under the nightclub space, and the greenhouse and the office are above the waste to energy, which can use the rest space around the chimney. On the left part was the path to the nightclub. People can come down from the private nightclub rooms to the public stage or the bar. In the east to west section, the nightclub is floating on the water. We use the large truss system to support the nightclub. The public dancing stage is high in the air. We have placed the seats around the stage, and the space on the second floor can also be seen from the upper floor. This part connected to the water is the restaurant. People can see the view of the Manhattan here. There is a bridge on the ground to connect the restaurant, and the people can take a ferry to here. Don't need to go through the factory and the nightclub. Then we move to our exploded axon. The outer layer is our glass curtain wall system and the GFRC system. The inner is a steel and concrete structure. In a nightclub, we use a large truss system due to the large span. It's about 2 to 3 floors high. For the floor plate, we used a steel slab. The foundation is inserted directly into the ground and the riverbed. Here is our chunk model. We choose the part which has the intersection of the waste-to-energy and the nightclub. The underground is a tipping hall, and the incineration chimney are setting above the tipping hall. The double high space is for the staff and the visitors to see the process of the factory. There is a stairs spiral up to the chimney. The space near the chimney is used for the office and the greenhouse. The left part is supported by the large truss. Here is the dancing stage of the nightclub. The truck was coming from a truck entrance and left the same way after dumping the garbage. This is a wall section. We cut a curved wall from the side of the nightclub near the water. So there are 4 materials that exist on the wall. We use the concrete as the foundation in order to prevent the corrosion under the river.
During the nighttime, visitors can enjoy the club while seeing the machinery behind the glass wall. The glass facade of the nightclub space will allow the colorful light of the nightclub to shine through. That's all. Thank you.